Hey, welcome to the world according to Larry, and today's video is going to be about one of the most important mods that you can do to your car. What is it? It's the Mishimoto Oil Catch Can. The ride here wasn't the nicest to this box. I don't envision that anything is busted because it's hoses and a metal can. The can wrapped in a box and wrapped in bubble wrap. The machining of this can is very nice. Listen to that. There are two barbed hose connectors. Mounting bracket. Two hoses. So here are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a pry tool, a flathead screwdriver, an 11/16 wrench, a 13mm socket, a ratchet, and a 10mm socket, as well as 2.5mm Allen wrench. First step is to pop up the fuel line. Get this out of the way. Gonna lift here and here. Pull that out. Put that there. You want to move this here. By depressing that and pulling. Okay. Using a 10mm deep socket, take the grommet bolts out. Okay, you don't need to pull this all the way off. That was easy. So let me show you what I was doing under there. That U-shaped hose was connected in two places. Here and here. What I was doing, I was depressing this with the flathead of the screwdriver while pulling. That releases the lock. It's actually much easier on the car. See that? Alright, using 13mm deep socket, loosen these bolts and actually take them out. Then using a 10mm socket, loosen the strut brace on the firewall. Screw in the barb hose connectors Tighten them, but don't over tighten. Next, attach the bracket using these tiny screws. It would be better to do this on a bench. Have it oriented so that it's a step up. Install the 13mm bolts. Tighten them down. Tighten the 10mm firewall bolt. Next, we're going to orient our hoses. The one that connects to the right side connects to the lower connector. The one that connects to the left side connects to the upper connector. I am going to push these onto their appropriate things. Click. Click. Right. Now, install the hose clamps. And hose clamp. Put that on there. Put that on there. Finally, we're going to tighten up these screws. And we're going to install the grommet bolts. Plug this back in. Click. Replace the panel. Switch to the other side. And replace this panel. Secure the fuel line. And you're done. There we are. Finito. So after about 2,000 miles, let's have a look at it. It's a bit of oil. All that would have gone into my intake mitt. Oh, it's filthy. That would have jammed up sensors. It would have jammed up the valves eventually. This is the most important mod that you can do to your car. This oil is filthy. And reinstall it for further protection. You've been experiencing The World According to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it. share it. I would love to hear your comments, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And until then, I'm in my world.